Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start inside Chrome, open the three-dot menu and choose Settings, then Privacy and Security. Once there, click Site Settings to reach Permissions and Data Controls. You're doing this now to target stored site preferences and cookies, so focus on the list or use the search field to find a specific domain. Make sure Chrome is updated and sync is paused if you don't want changes synced across devices. This prevents accidental global removal while you work. Next, click the site entry to open its detailed page where permissions and stored data are listed. You'll see camera, location, notifications, cookies, and local storage breakdowns. Review each so you know what will change. If you intend to remove only cookies, clear site data. If you want a fresh start, reset permissions to default. Once you choose, confirm your selection. This prevents lingering access and ensures the site will prompt you again next visit. Finally, tap Clear Data or Reset Permissions to remove chosen site settings and stored information. Chrome applies changes immediately. Once done, reload the site to verify it asks for permissions again and that any stored details are gone. If the site still behaves like old settings remain, clear the browser cache or restart Chrome and recheck. Make sure you aren't signed in with sync enabled if you wanted changes local only. If problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.